What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Griffin here, finally coming back to you guys with another video. Fresh moved in the new place here. I know it seems like just yesterday I was moving into my previous place way back in Missouri, but we finally got moved in over the weekend, so just a kind of video change of pace, so to speak, and just to get another video out here for you guys, I figured, well, I guess I might as well go show you guys my new home. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do. This is just the front door, of course. This house, apartment, condo, whatever you wanna call it, has a lot more room. That's just a closet, not that it matters or nothing, but it has a lot more room than our previous one, even though it's only one floor versus two. If you guys remember the townhome, it was about 800 square feet total, like actual footage. This one is actually about 920 or something like that, if I remember right. So we actually have a little bit more space. You can see, already got the TV on the wall. This is like the living room, dining room, everything really all connected. Hall goes straight back to the bathroom, which this whole apartment pretty much, like, everything connects. They really used every square foot. Like, literally when you first come through here, it kind of feels like a maze just because everything leads to everything. So you can literally get from the room to the laundry room in like 10-15 steps. Just everything's like so concise. But right out here you can see, got the clothes hanging right now. We're actually on the top floor, which definitely was a pain in the butt whenever I was moving this big heavy dining table up pretty much by myself. My girlfriend was helping me from the back, but I pretty much lifted it all by myself from the center and whatnot. She kind of guided me, so to speak. But yeah, I don't really like doing home tours. They're kind of boring. But this is the washer, dryer, water heater room, whatever you want to call it, utility / pantry, everything. Really nice washer and dryer. They were like brand new, I guess, apparently when we moved in. So that was pretty nice. We don't really use the dryer though. Anything to save on that electric bill, right? Of course, I changed all of the bulbs to LED bulbs and all that good stuff that I've always had. So, and then obviously, like I said, everything just flows right into everything. So then this is the bathroom. You can see the bright LED bulbs probably. Shower, obviously just everything that's in a normal bathroom. What I really like is these granite countertops. But yeah, actual real granite countertops for the kitchen, the bathroom, all that good stuff. And then what we both really like is this walk-in closet. I don't know how this video will do, if it'll even do justice, but I mean, this walk-in closet has tons of space. We've got like 2 racks, so top rack, bottom rack. You can see we got boxes up there for like winter clothes and stuff still that we need to unpack. But just tons of room in here for shoes and all that good stuff. So definitely like that. And then right now, of course, we're actually like in the room. The room is a lot bigger actually than the room that we previously had. I don't know if you guys can quite see. You can see there's a whole bunch of stuff still. We're still getting organized. I mean, we probably got still another like full day of just actually unpacking and putting the stuff where it needs to go. But so it probably doesn't even look as big as it actually is, but it's definitely big. I believe these are 8-foot ceilings, 8 or 9-foot ceilings. It's really tall, so I don't remember if it's 8 foot that's standard or 7. Either way, it's like a foot taller than like your standard floor to ceiling, so it might be 9 foot, 8 or 9 foot, something like that. With the nice crown molding and everything. I appreciate stuff like that because obviously I did work in construction, so it's pretty nice to have a place with crown molding and all that good stuff. And then I don't think I'll walk through the kitchen yet. But yeah, like I said, nice granite countertops. My girlfriend is in love with like this little detachable knob. It can like, apparently you can like change it. I don't know how exactly. I think I have to actually grab like this. Apparently I can't figure it out. Apparently I'm too dumb to. But of course, dishwasher. We only use a dishwasher for like, I don't know, I don't even know if she does this, so, but pretty much everything it sounds like. But yeah, of course, just your standard stuff, putting some decor up, of course. You guys know that I have a shark. Kind of creeps my girlfriend out. It's like a baby shark. I've had it since I was like 10 years old when we went to South Carolina once. But yeah, of course, we got all the protein and supplements, all that good stuff up. Again, more decor. She likes wine, so we put that up for her. And then I always, when it comes to like prioritizing my days, especially my days off, I'm starting Terminex really soon, by the way. But when it's like my days off and I have time to actually like, get stuff done, this lighting's really bad. When I have time to like get stuff done, this is what I like to do. I started putting like post-it notes up all over the place. I mean, I wouldn't say like all over the place, only like 5 to 10, just like 5 to 10 things. And I said it's just for everybody. I'll probably talk about it in a future video, but like 5 to 10 things that you like must get done in a day on your day off. Obviously you can see I put vacuum, don't mind the chicken scratch handwriting, but like vacuum, carpet areas, Swiffer, the hardwood floor, and then I got other stuff like take all the trash to the dumpster, even though we really don't have to do that because apparently if like we set our trash right outside the door, somebody comes picks it up by midnight or something like that, so that's pretty cool. And then you can see I got one sitting right here on the countertop that says do Uber Eats or Favor for at least an hour today. Again, just some extra money going towards paying that debt off, of course. That I got another one right here that says read for 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes, I always try to read at the minimum like a good 30 minutes a day. Usually the 30 minutes actually ends up turning into an hour because say I'm like I don't really necessarily time myself for one, and then for two I'll be like close to the end of a chapter and it's already been like 35-40 minutes. Next thing I know it's 45-50 by the time I end up finishing. But yeah, I don't know if I really showed you guys the dining room much. Again, I mean, I really like this place. I like the area. For those of you that are in like the Dallas area, I know we got a lot of you guys in the Dallas area. Hopefully we'll all be able to meet up soon once the weather starts kind of cooling down. I know down here that's more like October, November. So hopefully the next couple months we'll all get to meet up and have some kind of, if everybody likes football, some kind of tailgate for a Cowboys game or something. To put in perspective where we are, it's like, it depends. Because like when you look at Snapchat filters, it'll show Addison, Farmers Branch, I believe Carrollton too. Pretty much we're like, when you look on the map, it's like just barely southeast of like the actual Farmers Branch. And it's funny because the street signs, there's some that are red, like for Farmers Branch, for those of you that know. Then there's some that are blue, which I believe is either Addison or Carrollton, I forget which one. And then green ones for actually Dallas too. So to like put in perspective stuff that's near me, Galleria Mall, the big mall of course, it's really close to us. Like I think it's maybe at the most 3 miles away from us. So which means we're obviously pretty close to Love Field too. I believe Love Field is only about 6 to 8 miles away, something like that. Love Field Airport. But just a really overall convenient area. Her job now only takes her about roughly 20 minutes to go to work and to come back from work. So instead of getting home at like 7 o'clock, she's getting home at like 6:20, 6:30 at the latest. And me, whenever I was still working for the place I was working at, it would take me literally like 12 to 15 minutes to get to work and about 15 minutes to get home on a bad day. So, and where I'm going to be working Terminex, of course, man, I have to like be in the perfect spot for lighting. But the Terminex job, it's going to be a little bit further. It's like 20-25 minutes, but still not bad at all, given how much we were having to drive, which was like an hour, roughly 30 minutes to an hour each day, there and back. So we were wasting each of us like 2 hours a day just in commute time, which obviously is just, I mean, it's stressful and it's waste time at the end of the day. So that's going to be awesome. And with Terminex too, even though it's like, I wanted to mention that kind of too, for those of you that actually care. With Terminex, I'm only going to be actually going to like the shop location after I get done with training and everything, of course. I'll only have to go to like the actual location once a week. It sounds like every Tuesday they have like a team meeting where you go over like the sales and all that stuff, customer stuff and all that whatnot, and you go pick up your product to reload your truck each week. But other than that, I literally start my day from home. I'll call customers either the morning of or the night before, set up when I'm going to be arriving at their homes and whatnot, and then I just start my day right around 7-8 o'clock in the morning. Usually get off between 5 and 6 p.m. So that'll be awesome. Not spending any money for gas for work at that point because they'll have, like I said, the company vehicle after my first 45 days. So I'm really excited to start this new job for sure. I should be saving lots of money from a fuel standpoint. Since we moved down here, I've been spending roughly, I would say at least 150-ish, 150 to 200 a month easily in fuel. That's probably gonna go down to like 50 to 75 at the most per month. Most of that's just gonna be like maybe doing Uber Eats on the side still. Just your day-to-day running to the grocery store. All the grocery stores are like 2 miles away from us. I mean, it's just a really nice area, really nice situation that we're finally getting ourselves into. Took months to get here since we moved down at the end of May, but we're finally starting to kind of get settled in, and hopefully within the next few months, like I said, get the rest of that debt paid off, get that emergency fund loaded up, and then of course start swing trading. I'll have a lot more swing trading videos coming out in the future, of course, once I get all that debt paid off and everything. Like I said, the debt went back up some because of just my whole job situation and being promised full-time hours, then only getting like 25, 30 hours a week. It put a strain on finances a little. We racked up one credit card up a little bit. So, I mean, that's setting us back just a little, but again, it's one credit card compared to a lot of people, that's absolutely nothing. So I'm looking forward to finishing the year strong. Hopefully, like I said, for those of you in the Dallas area, we'll be sure to link up sometime, maybe for like a tailgate or something once the weather starts cooling off here. But yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and end the video on that note. It's already like 10, 11 minutes long. Hopefully you guys did like it. I know it's a little change up video. I just wanted to at least post something for you guys, and I'm sure you guys are wondering kind of what I've been up to. So that's it, we've been moving. But until next time, guys, keep on out there making those profits, locking in your profits, and achieving some financial freedom this year. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, guys.